Dead bird is flying with all the visionaries. You know, Dan Rather and Ben Shahn, Buckminster Fuller, Richard Feynman, Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla. These are the people that historically have changed America. I am an American dreamer. Saint Teresa of Avila said, in order to attain anything, it is not enough to walk. One has to fly. Now imagine with me, 12 years old. Here I am, just this dude, 12 years old, and I'm dreaming that I'm flying past the ionosphere and go all the way up to the Gemini space capsule and try to knock on the door. Well, it's locked. So I fly off into the ionosphere, gazing along a line of 3 or 4 planets. From this perspective, the immense dark and the beautiful luminous globes is so stunning. I wake a bit. Then I find myself flying above the freeway of Los Angeles, getting sucked downward by the streaming traffic's wind force. I have to wake up to save myself. The whole dream indelibly memorized. That was America, 1966, just beginning to reject all forward-looking logic, building freeways without Walt Disney monorails, no innovation, just a questionable kind of smog-laden drinking water childhood. No, we haven't learned yet to fly. But Mr. Fuller reminded us there's an infinitely accommodating universe. And all prophets, divinely inspired teachers have been trying to tell us this for centuries. Remind us the basket is full. The glass is full.